Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today, we will take a look at the Remoter ATV series remote controllers, see which devices they are compatible with, and demonstrate some basic operations. 1. Remoter ATV3 series. Remoter ATV3, Remoter ATV3S, Remoter ATV3 Mini, Remoter ATV3 Lite. It's compatible with the same devices: Q3 TV Stick, Q3 Max TV Stick, Q5 TV Box, Q5 Plus TV Box, Q10 TV Box, Lemon TV Mini, Lemon TV L1, and Lemon TV L2. The following will demonstrate how to operate. Two, Remoter ATV4 and Remoter ATV5. The Remoter ATV4 and Remoter ATV5 remotes are the same, with the only difference being the firmware inside. The Remoter ATV4 is compatible with the Q8 TV Box, while the Remoter ATV5 is compatible with the Q11 TV Box. Operation demonstration. Three, Remoter ATV5. Finally, we have the Remoter ATV5, which works with the R3 TV Stick, R5 TV Box. Operation demonstration. No matter which device you use, the Remoter ATV series remote controllers provide a seamless operation experience. From the ATV3 to the ATV5, each model offers something unique for every user. If you like these remotes, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.